Dear friends, today I will offer you to talk about electric cables. We use them for transmitting electric energy or signals for different distance ranges. The sources of electric energy, such as power stations generating this commodity, supply it through the network involving cables and transformers to the consumer. The long-distance transportation is done in the high voltage, from 3.6 kV to 6 kV, to diminish the losses. The consumer receives it after the transformers have lowered it under 1 kV or 660 volts to cover shorter distances. These are transportation voltages. Before your doorstep, there is a final gateway transformer that converts electricity into 360 to 120 volts consumed by most machines and equipment. Electrons travel around the surface of the cable core, offered by most of cable producers made either of aluminium or copper. Some offer aluminium alloys or copper coating of aluminium wire in the attempt to improve contact and protect from oxygenation. The residential areas are connected by the network of cable traveling from the source where it is generated. Along the way, the cables are protected from various hazards by armor. Often it is hard steel ribbon encircling the core bundle when physical damage like wheels of the truck or other firm objects are in question. PVC sheath, uniting cores into a bundle and protecting from minor damage. The insulated wires joined in the PVC sheath form a cable. Screen is often protecting forces like electromagnetic emission. The enhanced protection from heat is fire-resistant cable. It either protects cores from melting and resulting short circuit or stand the heat for a longer period of time than ordinary type. By function, they are divided into power cables for electricity transmission and control cables used for transmission of control and monitoring signals. Marking of the cables reflects the above-mentioned functions in different letter codes, after which digits follow. The first digit means the number of cores, followed by multiplication or crossing sign, after which they put the cross-section of each core in millimeters. When you see a plus following it, it often means that there is one more insulated core of different cross-section used for grounding, for example. You need to check the materials section of the technical draft of yours for the amount and specification of cables required in the power equipment section of the design project or for your object. The cable packing is wooden barrels or reels of different sizes. The supplier will offer you to use the best space of the shipment container. The prices for cable depend basically on the fluctuation of core constituent metals. Aluminium and copper, monitored daily by metals exchange boards like Dubai Metals Exchange. When choosing a cable, consider the variety of cable offered by one single supplier for you to deal with only one that can offer you promotional discounts. Pay attention to durability parameters that are better to exceed those indicated in your project to ensure the stability of your equipment work and protection from casualties that may affect other spheres of your work and avoid extra renovation expenses. Stay in touch, comment and ask questions. We will answer all or continue to help you with choosing the right cable selection for your project. Wishing you to have the best connection in all spheres of your life. See you!